Hello friends and welcome back to your channel. Today's episode is on foxtail millet tomato rice. I've taken about 1 cup of foxtail millet here, which is popularly known as Thinai Arisi in Tamil. Millets are great to add in your diet. You need not soak this rice. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger and garlic. You can also use ginger garlic paste instead. Mustard, chana dal, 3 red chilies, few fennel seeds, asafoetida powder, salt to taste, cooking oil, 4 tomatoes chopped, a handful of curry leaves and coriander leaves, 2 onions and 2 green chilies. So these are all the ingredients required, and now let's start making. Take a pressure cooker and add in oil. Now add in mustard, chana dal, the fennel seeds, dry red chilies, once your tempering is ready, add in the garlic and ginger, the green chilies, onions, and curry leaves. Now saute this until the onion turns a little transparent. Meanwhile, add asafoetida, salt, and turmeric powder. Once you have done, add in tomatoes and saute until it turns a little mushy. Also add in the coriander leaves, now add in the foxtail millet. The same procedure can be also used to make other millets. In a low flame, saute it for less than 1 minute. So that the rice will not turn much sticky. Now add in about 2 to 2.5 cup of water. Mix everything together and check and adjust the level of salt if required. Once it starts boiling a little, cover the cooker with a lid and pressure cook it for about 2 to 3 whistles. And now our foxtail millet tomato rice is ready. This is really healthy and tasty. You can have this rice along with pickles, raita or papads. Hope you will give this recipe out a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Please like the video and share it. Follow us on social media pages. Thanks for watching House to Home.